I'm going to show you about how the Wix perform a very professional page website template. So if you don't have money to buy a domain or hosting to build a website, then you must go to wix.com and then sign up with your information, and you don't need to go to billing payments. Forget about that. Just sign up, and then you gonna find what business you have. You have consulting services and maintenance, technology, advertising. So for now, I'm going to see what is these advertising and marketing in their pages. It looks like so beautiful. As you can see, it's like professional build website already that you need to know. So let's go here, success consulting. Let's view it. Right. Oh yeah. So you don't need anything to do with this. As you can see, the page is already there. You need to just put your information along with this. Okay, let's find another one. How about this? View. Oops. Oh, marketing solutions. Wow, the stunning media result and social solutions. Oh, as you can see on this page, it's look like a simple, but it's really engaging. So what you need to do is just edit this site. For example, because in Wix website editor, there's everything that you need to do. So as you can see here, page, simple page, but you can edit this one. For example, going to like, so as you can see the text settings here, the heading, you can adjust it to heading 2, heading 1, and then the font, you can change it with this stencil here, trend. Let's see, I'm going to, wow, this is awesome, right? You don't need to like edit the page and build with coding if you don't know. Just build with Wix. Right, so just edit this one, this text in here, and then about section, navigate about section, it will go to another page. Wow. Right, so you can change the image in here. For example, I'm gonna change the image. Whoops. Alright, for example, I'm gonna choose this image. Oh, that's really nice. Ooh, looking great. And you can edit text here. Just double click. You can change the font size, the effects on it. Wow. Hi everyone. Alright. So you can add text here. You can do whatever you want. As you can see, you can manage the menu. You can go to the solutions, and then boom, go to clients and navigate it. Right. Boom. So yeah, how to put your affiliate marketing to Wix, which is I'm going to share with you later in this video. Here we are now. I just created the page. As you can see, this is my logo, my code name, and then let's go to home section. So these are the solutions of affiliate marketing, and I just put it here, the content of it. Let's go to about section. Here I just put my logo, so you can do whatever you want and put your logo, so whatever you want in this Wix site. So here now, the affiliate programs, the best affiliate programs platform in 2020 edition. So earnings and commission, we are in the ClickBank and JVZoo. I just put the ClickBank logo here and the JVZoo. So if you can click this, you will go to the side of ClickBank, and then this one is in JVC. So for now, I'm going to teach you on how to put the products on the your site. So let's go to product section. So I just already put the platform that I'm going to present or I'm going to market. So for now, let's go to editor. Let's see, because I just published it, so it's not already linked with our products. So yeah, so for today, because we're on the best products for your business and what's inside crab now, so it's just a clickbait, and the person who can read this will go to this site. So we must put the link on this image and this text. So let's go to ClickBank, for example. So inside the ClickBank, you can see the daily sales snapshot here. If someone will click your product or buy your product, you will see the stats in here. And in order for you to market the ClickBank, so you must go to Marketplace here, and then you find the products that you're going to promote. So for me, I just already did post on the this site. I just already add the image and the text. So let's go find what is the product that I am sharing for that I'm going to promote, or I have already added to the page. So you will click promote um, this site or this sales site, and then you're going to just add marketing or something. You're going to track your links and then generate the links, and then this is your affiliate marketing link. So we'll copy this, right, and then go to bit.ly. Yeah, and then you will get the free link shortener. So go below the bit.ly, where is it? Here. And then paste it and then shorten your link. And after that, copy it and then go to your WIX and add the link on this image. Here, the web address, paste, and then you're going to put this on the text as well. Here. Right, web address, paste. Alright, and then let's go to another one. It's in JVZoo. So JVZoo, you have to approve the products. In affiliates, you find your approved product. You're going to find the seller, and then you will message him, hey, I want to promote your products. So yeah, so I have these approved products already. So the Profit Builder Professional, these are the products that I'm going to promote. Get the links, right? So copy it and then go to bit.ly again, then change this one, shorten this, right? This one, copy the link and then go to the site, the web address, paste it here, same as here, web page, this one. So in order for the viewers of this site can click the link and go to the page already. So yeah, I think that's finished. You'll publish it, the site. Alright, so as you can see, this is your website already. You can copy the site and go to bit.ly again and then shorten it and then copy it and then paste on wherever you want to promote the affiliate marketing, or in what we call this, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or wherever is it. But I recommended that you already go to the product directly. So for here, the product already, copy it. So if ever the person who will click the site, they will go to your product. here, this product, you will see this already. So for example, this one, I just created the shortening and I will paste it here. Boom, it's all in your products. As you can see, they will, oh, what is this? You will click this one and then click the image, and then you will see the magic of the affiliate marketing. So yeah, guys, I am very sure you can earn money with this if you have the courage or the goals and how to make it possible. Here, from the JVZoo and the ClickBank, right? So these are the best way that you can do affiliate marketing. So that's easy as that. Thanks guys, and hope you like and subscribe my videos and my channels.